Good morning, my name is Carl Salt, Market Manager UK and Ireland, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to this event. We're so excited to have all of you here with us today as we launch our new PETRONAS Syntium range. Just like last year, this event is completely virtual so that all of you can tune in and watch from the comfort of your home, office or on-the-go workspace. For the next 30 minutes, we'll take you through what we have in store for the year ahead. 2022 will be the year of PETRONAS Syntium, but there are also exciting updates to share with you on other ranges like PETRONAS Iona and Tutela. But before we get started, let me give you a brief rundown of what you can expect to see over the next 30 minutes. I will first be passing you over to our Managing Director for EMEA, Domenico Chalia, and EMEA Marketing Director, James Mark, who will provide an overview of what's new. We will then go to our Product Manager, PCO EMEA, Piero Maggiorio, who will take a deep dive into our revised branding and positioning for PETRONAS Syntium. And after that, we'll head over to our Technical Manager, UK and Ireland, David Aldous, who will provide more insights into our improved product range and technology. And finally, before we close, we'll go to Marketing Manager Zumrat Altay, who will take you through our 2022 marketing roadmap. So let's get started by heading over to Domenico, Managing Director for EMEA.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. It's great to have you here with us today. 2021 was a complicated year. The pandemic, the lockdowns, and a general slowdown of the economy presented us with more challenges than ever before. Hopefully, we can now look ahead to a brighter 2022, where we can focus on growing our business together. PLI demonstrated its resilience last year in the wake of component shortages and a demanding business environment. At PLI, 2021 was a busier year than usual, as our research teams in Italy were busy innovating our passenger car portfolio of products. Why? Because PLI has been studying driving patterns and behaviors in close cooperation with our OEM partners to understand and anticipate the future trends and requirements. This led to a complete re-engineering of the passenger car portfolio, PETRONAS Syntium, as modern engines are now operating under ever-growing stress and pressure. Re-engineered to meet the needs of modern vehicles, the new PETRONAS Syntium is the most efficient lubricant range we've ever created. So, what have we set out to do with the next generation of PETRONAS Syntium? We aim to advance our position as an innovative, fast-moving, and responsible business. We're developing new technologies to meet the needs of the most efficient cars on the road. But we are not just a one-stop shop for motor oil. With our new PETRONAS Tutela range, we're also now a provider of broader functional fluids. And with the introduction of our new PETRONAS Iona range of fluids for fully electric vehicles, our PLI portfolio supports more motorists than ever before. We're setting out clear objectives with the goal to enhance and renew our premium line of products and improve our brand position, strengthen our CoolTech proposition, and develop a striking new marketing campaign. Since 2019, PLI has focused on heat dissipation and keeping our inner cool to fight excess engine heat. Now, in 2022, we have evolved our focus to address thermal efficiency and controlling the dissipation of heat within our engines, with efficiency and sustainability being integral parts of our new brand story. It's this attention to detail with a winning mindset that makes PETRONAS Syntium the oil of choice for the best racing team on the planet, Mercedes, AMG, PETRONAS, and Formula One. As their official technology partner, PETRONAS Syntium drastically increases the thermal efficiency of the Mercedes-AMG PETRONAS car, making it the most efficient racing engine ever created. To tell you more about why our products are so vital to our Formula One partners, here's a quick message from the man himself.
Hey everyone, Lewis here for the virtual launch of our next generation of PETRONAS Syntium products. Engineered with CoolTech Plus technology, PETRONAS Syntium protects your engine from excess heat to deliver optimal performance. Supported by our industry-leading research and development center, discover our brand new product line and meet the PETRONAS Lubricants international experts behind the cutting-edge technology. As the official partner of the Mercedes-AMG PETRONAS Formula One team, whether on the racetrack or on the road, PETRONAS Syntium delivers optimal engine performance every time.
And to tell you more about our vision for the year ahead, I'll hand it off to James. Thank you.
Thanks, Domenico. It's so exciting to be here today. 2022 is our most ambitious year yet for PETRONAS Syntium. Across EMEA, we plan to launch a brand new fully integrated marketing campaign that not only highlights PETRONAS Syntium, but also our partnership with Formula One, our new and improved CoolTech Plus technology, and our continued partnership with Freedom, a business dedicated to offsetting carbon emissions by planting trees around the world. For our launch this year, we've completely redesigned our packaging. Our new modernized design now uses 15% less plastic. And to meet our continued sustainability goals, we've standardized the size of our jerry cans across Europe with our new 20-liter EcoVent packaging system, which is manufactured with up to 50% recycled plastic. In addition to EcoVent, we'll also be introducing our new bag-in-a-box packaging, which will use up to 90% less plastic. These innovative new design processes bring us closer to our sustainability goals of being carbon neutral by 2050. Sustainability is also at the heart of our new campaign, Cool is. This new campaign motto represents the core value proposition of Syntium, which is of being cool, efficient, and sustainable. It's about having a winning mindset, delivering maximum efficiency, and advocating sustainability. This sentiment will be reflected in everything we do during the coming months and years. Building on the success of our PETRONAS Urania launch, we aim to deliver even more cutting-edge digital experiences during our campaign. With dynamic social content, we'll be working alongside some of the most prominent automotive influencers in the industry. We'll be creating a rich content hub to start the campaign, and this will grow and evolve as we progress throughout the year. We'll be holding numerous events during the campaign, like Brackley, various Formula One Grand Prix activations, and a trip to one of the world's most sustainable countries, which you will find out about later in the presentation. Here's a quick taster of what our new PETRONAS Syntium range stands for.
Cool is getting more from less. In order to reach our full potential and achieve maximum efficiency, we need to control the heat, stay cool, and not waste a single drop of energy.
It's exactly the same under the hood of any car, be it yours or the world's most successful race car. PETRONAS Syntium with CoolTech technology is formulated to control engine-damaging heat, to make the most of every bit of usable energy and achieve ultimate efficiency. By more effectively reducing friction and therefore heat, CoolTech Plus technology cuts emissions and fuel consumption by up to 3%. And by maintaining a stable protective film for longer, power output and the engine's efficiency is maximized. With every part working together efficiently, drivers get more power and performance from less fuel, reducing emissions and improving air quality for everyone.
More energy, less waste. Control that heat. Stay cool with PETRONAS Syntium.
The video was great. Thank you, James. I am very excited to share with you more information about our new product range, branding, and positioning for PETRONAS Syntium in 2022. As the climate emergency worsens, it's crucial that organizations remain committed to meeting their sustainability goals, which is why we still aim to achieve net zero carbon emission by 2050. Our efforts in sustainability today influence also our products. The new PETRONAS Syntium 7000 range with CoolTech Plus technology today reflects this commitment by reducing emission and fuel consumption by up to 3%, which is an achievement that exceeds also industry standards. We designed the next generation of PETRONAS Syntium to position us as a true innovator in the market. Through new technology, we are enhancing our products with the launch of ultra-thin side grades. We are continuing to push and invest in hybrid products, and we are upgrading our formulation to the latest industry and OEM specifications. This is how we can deliver a more resilient and sustainable portfolio across every one of our markets. The new PETRONAS Syntium also needs a new story on thermal efficiency, one that encapsulates our 3 USPs: cool, efficient, and sustainable. Heat is still the enemy. For a traditional engine, its job is to transform heat into mechanical energy. We can then measure the thermal efficiency by calculating the percentage of heat transformed into work. Most engines only cover around 33% of their potential energy into power. Not only the rest of this thermal energy remains unconverted, but it also dissipates as waste heat. This means that more than half of useful energy produced worldwide is wasted in engine inefficiency. But we are developing new ways to help engines achieve maximum thermal efficiency and stay cool in the face of aggressive heat. For this to happen, engines need to stay cool in critical areas where excessive heat can cause damage to critical engine parts, such as in turbocharger, piston, and bearings. And nowhere is this problem felt more than in the engine of Mercedes-Benz Petronas Formula One car. In a sport where every drop of energy counts, Petronas technology drastically improves thermal efficiency, making it the most efficient racing engine ever created. And now, the team which helped enhance the most successful and thermally efficient racing engine in the world have poured their technical know-how into creating a high-performance engine oil for drivers around the world. With our Cool Ease campaign, we aim to build on promise of our products and educate motorists on the potential of using PETRONAS Syntium to control the damaging engine heat in the most efficient and sustainable way possible, by telling our brand story through a new environmental lens. The next step in PETRONAS Syntium story move on from our inner cool brand story of 2019, which was focused on heat dissipation and preventing excess engine heat, to a new story for 2022, which explored thermal efficiency and controlling the heat of your engine. Because cool is getting more from less. Our new brand story can be broken down into 4 key sections. 1. Heat is the enemy. Modern engines today operate at higher temperature than ever before, causing the formation of deposits and oxidation, reducing engine efficiency. 2. Inefficient engine waste more energy and generate more heat. 3. To achieve maximal thermal efficiency, engines need to stay cool in the face of aggressive heat. And 4. PETRONAS Syntium control engine damaging heat and protect critical engine parts to maximize engine efficiency. So, control the heat, don't waste a single drop of energy, and maximize efficiency. To tell you a bit more about the technology behind our new range of PETRONAS Syntium products, let's go to our technical service manager.
Thanks, Piero. The PETRONAS Syntium range is engineered with our CoolTech technology, from our semi-synthetic 800 to our synthetic 3000, 5000 and 7000 ranges. Each lubricant we develop is designed to defend against excessive engine heat for optimum performance, enhanced protection and maximise thermal efficiency. Building on our advanced Syntium technical evolution, we're now introducing CoolTech Plus to our PETRONAS Syntium 7000 range. This new technology enables us to deliver even greater engine protection and efficiency. This is achieved by more efficiently lubricating moving parts to reduce friction and therefore heat. PETRONAS Syntium with CoolTech Plus delivers up to 3% better fuel economy and fewer emissions for a cleaner, more cost-effective and efficient mobility. With the next generation of Syntium, we're also meeting the latest technical specifications from the major global car manufacturers, Daimler, VW, BMW and Renault, just to name a few. Syntium 7000 DME is a great example. A 0W20 lubricant with API SP and ASEA C6 specifications that also carries the latest low SAPS technology that Daimler requires for passenger cars, the Daimler approval 229.72. In 2021, ASEA released a major update to its technical categories and specifications on passenger cars. I'm proud to announce that 3 of our Syntium 7000 products already meet this latest mid-SAPS ASEA category, the new ASEA C6. Not many companies in our sector have made this claim to date. We're also amongst the very first to offer lubricants of ultra-low viscosities, pushing lubricant grades to their lower levels with the new Syntium 7000 0W8 and Syntium 7000 0W12. Achieving this required an accomplished technical development program to develop state-of-the-art formulations, balancing fuel economy and efficiency targets while ensuring the oil perfectly protects the engine and its components. This development is particularly important as some of the biggest Japanese OEMs are launching passenger cars that will require specific low viscosities for their engine hardware. Our PETRONAS Syntium 7000 range also further maximises efficiency in hybrid cars, incorporating stop-start technology. When hybrids constantly switch between the internal combustion engine and electrical power, it places great stress on the engine, increasing the risk of wear due to oil failing to reach critical engine parts fast enough to reduce friction. But with CoolTech Plus, PETRONAS Syntium quickly reaches critical engine parts. In our test, after 40 hours of engine runtime at 3,150 RPM, we found that PETRONAS Syntium provided 38% better protection against bearing wear through the stable protective film it created around engine parts. We also found that it delivered, on average, 14.8% less wear in the valve train. This is crucial, as the valve train is critical in providing a vital line of defence against catastrophic damage, while maximising power output and minimising emissions. It needs a precise supply of oil to prevent metal-on-metal contact and wear, and our results demonstrate that PETRONAS Syntium is far superior at achieving this than other industry-standard lubricants. With CoolTech continuing to provide enhanced engine protection for motorists, our test also explored the importance of piston cleanliness. When deposits build up around piston rings, this can cause them to stick, which leads to higher fuel consumption and emissions. But our results speak for themselves, with PETRONAS Syntium drastically improving cleanliness on engine pistons. Another common problem where PETRONAS Syntium excelled in our tests was its ability to provide enhanced protection against low-speed pre-ignition, or for short, LSPI events. These occur when the ignition of the air-fuel mixture in the engine occurs before the spark plug fires. This asynchronous clashing with the upward moving piston can cause catastrophic damage and result in engine failure. PETRONAS Syntium is proven to provide considerable protection against these events occurring. And finally, our test found that CoolTech technology provides up to 43% more protection from issues like shearing. Across our PETRONAS Syntium products, our CoolTech technology continues to maintain performance better than ever, with outstanding oxidation resistance and sludge control, with it on average being 68% better than the industry standard. It's with these clear reasons to believe that we are confident PETRONAS Syntium with CoolTech and CoolTech Plus technology will be the #1 choice for motorists around the world. With a robust brand and technology story taking shape, I'll now hand over to our marketing manager to delve into how we plan to implement this in our 2022 roadmap. Thank you.
Thanks, David. As said, 2022 is our most ambitious year yet for PETRONAS Syntium. Building on the success of our PETRONAS Urania campaign launched last year, the year ahead for PETRONAS Syntium will be packed with content, events, and much more. At the heart of our campaign, this year will be our Explore Cool Content Hub, a website filled with the latest information on PETRONAS Syntium, videos, podcasts, plus other extras. Throughout the campaign, this site will grow and evolve as more content is added, and we build on the brand story of PETRONAS Syntium and what cool is for motorists. And our campaign starts here today. For the next 9 months, our campaign will hit 5 more key milestones. Starting with our influencer event next month, we will be taking 10 key media representatives to a place that defines what cool is in terms of efficiency and, more importantly, sustainability. With sustainability and efficiency being at the heart of our new PETRONAS Syntium range, it's only fitting our event takes place in the most sustainable country on the planet Earth, Finland. Known as the country of 1,000 lakes, it's also recognized for another thing. It is abundance of trees, with Finland roughly having 10 trees for every person on the planet. As we progress through Q2, PETRONAS Syntium will feature at numerous local and international events as we demo our new CoolTech Plus technology. You will also see us at well-known trade shows like Automeccanica in September and Autopromotech in Bologna. We also plan to hold a promotional event for the launch of PETRONAS Syntium, where one lucky winner will get the chance to go to the Formula One Grand Prix in Silverstone later in the year. Listen out, as more details on this will follow very soon. Those who follow our social media channels, which I hope you all do, will have experienced that we built a robust digital program in 2021. With our new launch this year, we will build upon these efforts with tailored social media content, digital activations, and influencer collaborations. In addition, we will continue to invest in media advertising and PR to support the awareness of the next generation of PETRONAS Syntium. So what is cool? It's a winning mindset. It's delivering maximum efficiency. It is the advocating sustainability. Thank you.
So that's our new PETRONAS Syntium range for 2022. It's the most efficient and sustainable oil we've ever created. With our new CoolTech Plus technology in our 7,000 range, we're helping motorists reduce emissions and fuel consumption by up to 3%. Our new eco-vent and bag-in-the-box packaging system will also drastically reduce the amount of plastic we use, bringing us closer to reaching net zero carbon emissions by 2050. And with the widest range of products ever in our PLI portfolio, like PETRONAS Tutela and Iona, we now have solutions for every kind of motoring need. Through our new fully integrated marketing campaign, we'll be creating more dynamic content than ever before, inviting users to experience our cutting-edge Explore Cool content hub, where our audience will be able to learn more about what cool is in the world of PETRONAS Syntium. And finally, when it comes to events, we'll be featuring at a number of automotive trade shows throughout the year, from Autopromotech to Automeccanica, as well as paying a visit to the home of sustainability, Finland. But before we go, I want to leave you with one last thought. Energy is a precious resource. Conserving it and sourcing it sustainably is now more important than ever. With so many pressures to contend with, both inside and outside of our cars, it's all too easy to overheat, lose our cool and waste energy. With PETRONAS Syntium, control the heat. Don't waste a single drop of energy. Maximise efficiency. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you soon.